Hello and welcome to Property Portal, the fastest way to analyse UK property deals using AI. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how it works. So, once you've created your account, which literally takes seconds, you'll get 3 free scans to try it out, no card details needed. From there, just head over to Rightmove and find any property you're interested in, copy the link back into Property Portal, paste it into the search bar and then hit submit. In a few seconds, our AI will scan the listing and give you a full breakdown using real-time market and refurbishment models. At the top of the report, you'll see the original description and images pulled straight from Rightmove, so you don't need to jump in between tabs. Then comes the refurb summary. This shows you the purchase price, estimated refurb cost, stamp duty, total investment required, predicted end value, and the projected ROI, all laid out clearly so you can see if the deal stacks up. Below that is the refurb breakdown, which gives you area by area cost estimates like bathroom, kitchen, decorating, etc. You'll also get comparables so you can see similar local properties with the same size and price for context. Then heading on down, you can see the EPC section, which shows when the property was built, the current potential energy ratings, and a few pros and cons for the report. Below that, you'll also see the IMD score, which ranks area in terms of deprivation across the UK, handy for understanding the local market risk. Then there's a map showing the exact property location, followed by a floor plan to complete the analysis. Once you've looked through the report, you can download it as a PDF, great for sharing with investors or saving for later. And don't worry, every scan is saved to your account so you can revisit or compare deals at any time. After your 3 free scans, you'll be able to upgrade, which unlocks unlimited scans, full access to all features, and priority support from one of our team members. It's one simple plan, no hidden fees, and no complicated tiers. So, give it a go. Run your first scan today and see what Property Portal can do for you.